Sara Choi. Oh my goodness, it's so nice to see you.
I know, I haven't seen you forever.
Yes, it's been a bit, but we are here with your amazing SEMA build. We have your 2023 Acura Integra. It's a wide body. It is looking beautiful. What have you done to it? What have you worked on?
So basically, me and my friend Walter Kim designed this whole car, this concept. I basically got a stock Integra with 2 other guys, and we were told to build it however you want. So that's what I did, and I catered to basically what I like and what my taste is, and make it look extremely better for SEMA. So that's what I did.
Yeah, it looks really clean. Is there anything internal that you put in before the show or anything else that you've kind of like worked on?
Since I got an automatic, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go full-blown aesthetics. Yes. So I went all out with exterior, and me and Walter Kim designed this full-on kit all on our own. It was a lot of work and a lot of back and forth designing. This is all actually 3D printed.
Oh, wait, that's amazing.
Yeah, due to the amount of budget and the time we had, we did this in 30 days. So
wait, hold on. I know we're gonna have some shots of like the whole exterior and everything, but everyone just like soak it in and know that not only did Sara and Walter Kim design the entire thing, but it was done in 30 days.
I know, yeah, 30 days. We ran into a lot of issues every day, but on the very last minute, just the other day before SEMA, we made it for the tow.
Yes.
And I am so relieved, so happy. I went through a lot of indigestion, breakouts, anxiety. And after this, I'm asleep.
People love this build, but what is your favorite part about this whole build?
Obviously, the new Acura Integra in 2022 hasn't been released since the 90s, right? Since the last Integra. And obviously, we need to realize that it is a new world now, and they changed a lot of things with the Integra logo on it in a completely different way, right? So I wanted to be kind of nostalgic and add 2 touches of the 90s Integra, which is the DC2 Type R wing and a little side marker touch, if you guys notice. Kind of gives it a little JDM feel, but not also taking away the 2022 Acura Integra that they came out with. And
yeah, very cool. Thanks for showing it off.
Thank you for coming by.
Of course.